Bofors Carl Gustaf AB is a Swedish armaments firm, now owned by Bofors Carl Gustaf Stads Gevärsfaktori, rifle factory of Carl Gustaf's town, was founded in 1812 as a state arsenal. The name Carl Gustaf's town was a name used intermittently for the town Eskilstuna after King Karl X Gustav gave the town city privileges. Along with Husqvarna, Carl Gustafs Stads Gevärsfaktori has provided the Swedish Army with small arms for almost 2 centuries. There have been both foreign designs, such as the 12.17mm rolling block and the 6.5mm Mauser rifles, and domestic designs such as the AG M42 SLR and the Kpist M45 SMG. In addition, Bofors Carl Gustaf have produced a number of other weapons such as the 20mm Carl Gustav M42 anti-tank rifle, the 20mm M45 autocannon, and the famed 84mm Carl Gustav recoilless rifle, still one of the most common anti-tank weapons in the world. The Niva XM 1970 was a combined assault rifle RPG launcher concept by what was then FFV Carl Gustaf, part of the government-owned FFV or Forsvarsfabriksverk, during the early 1970s. It failed to attract any buyers and was abandoned. Between 1943 and 1991, the factory was run by a state agency named FFV, and the whole complex was often referred to as FFV Carl Gustaf. In 1970, Husqvarna sold its small arms division to FFV. Carl Gustav continued to manufacture the Husqvarna 1900 hunting rifles and also developed them into the 2000 series. Today they build the standard Swedish Army weapon, the AK-5, aka CGA-5, assault rifle. The AK-5 is a modified version of the Fabrik Nationale 5.56mm carbine, FNFNC, produced with a folding stock and an option to mount the Suicide sight from the British SA-80. References